Hi there, I'm Ashlyn with Fixed IT, and today I want to talk about how to avoid falling victim to multi-factor authentication cyber attacks. These types of attacks are becoming increasingly common and are extremely dangerous to you and your business. Thankfully, there are 3 ways you can help protect yourself against MFA-focused attacks. First is to never approve an MFA prompt that you did not initiate. If you randomly receive an MFA prompt without logging into anything, do not approve the prompt. Instead, deny access and immediately contact your IT provider if your business has one. Second, watch out for spoofing attacks, where malicious actors pretend to be your IT, bank, or even your boss to try to get MFA prompts and codes. Never share your MFA codes. Your boss doesn't need it, your IT doesn't need it. The only person that needs it is you, and only if you're logging into an account. 3 is stay vigilant and aware. Review every MFA prompt you receive. Always verify the account, time, and login location for every single prompt that pops up. If you aren't paying attention, you could accidentally approve a login for a different account, which means opening the door for attackers. And those are our 3 ways you can protect yourself against MFA-focused attacks. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos on MFA and cybersecurity. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to our team of experts at fixedvit.com. Thanks for watching.